Hey everyone, it's the Emulation Guru. Today we're looking at HeyGen Gamma, turning a single prompt into a full training video. Most creators struggle with the basics, writing scripts, designing slides, and recording the actual video. It's time-consuming and difficult. But there's a major shift happening. You no longer need separate, fragmented tools. One prompt can now build your entire presentation. HeyGen and Gamma have integrated into a single, seamless workflow designed specifically for efficient creators. You have full control over the number of slides, text density, tone, language, and even the specifics of the avatar's delivery. It starts with a clear prompt. Simply describe your topic in detail inside the system to get the best possible results. The system then generates your slides automatically, handling all the complex layout and design work for you. Next, you add your AI avatar and voice to bring that static content to life with a human presence. Finally, render the project into a complete, professional presentation video ready for your audience. This matters because it's significantly faster, requires zero design skills, and allows for truly scalable content production. This workflow is perfect for tutorials, online courses, business presentations, and even high-conversion marketing videos. This is just the beginning. For full courses and breakdowns, visit my Patreon at Emulation Guru 2. Stay locked in.